In a large forest, a small sparrow had built its nest on the branch of a tree and lived happily. One day, a terrible storm and rain came. In the force of the wind, alas, the sparrow's nest fell down from the tree. Fortunately, the eggs that were in the nest escaped without breaking. After the storm stopped, seeing its nest lying below, the sparrow felt like crying. "Oh no, my home is gone. Where will I keep my eggs?" It worried. Just at that time, a big elephant came that way. Seeing the sparrow was sad, it asked kindly, "What happened, little bird? Why are you sad?" The sparrow told everything that had happened and cried. The elephant felt pity. "Don't worry, friend, I will help you," it said, and with its long trunk, it lifted the nest very, very gently. Without even a little damage, it placed it safely back on the tree branch, just like before. The sparrow couldn't contain its happiness. "Thank you, elephant brother. You are very kind," it said joyfully. The elephant smiled and said, "It was just a small help. Helping each other is what friendship is," and went on its way. Moral of the story: whether big or small in appearance, the one who helps in times of danger is a true friend. Helping each other fosters love and friendship.